Big news coming in. A team of Uttar Pradesh police have now taken custody of Don Mukhtar Ansari from Punjab's Ropar jail. Mukhtar will be brought back to Uttar Pradesh and lodged in Banda jail. This comes after Supreme Court recently directed the Punjab government to hand over the custody of Mukhtar Ansari to Uttar Pradesh police, saying that it was being denied on trivial grounds under guise of medical issues. After the order of the Supreme Court, Punjab's Home Department has also taken the UP government to take Mukhtar's custody before the 8th of April. In fact, Mukhtar Ansari is BSP MLA from Mau, Uttar Pradesh, and is wanted in various heinous crimes.
आपको दिखाऊं ये देखिए मुख्तार अंसारी को इस गेट से निकाला जा रहा है। ये देखिए उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस है यहाँ पर। ये एक गाड़ी है उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस की, ये दूसरी गाड़ी है उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस की और यहाँ से ये तीसरी गाड़ी है एक्सक्लूसिव मुख्तार अंसारी को लेकर यहाँ निकाला जा रहा है। यहाँ पर ये तीसरी गाड़ी है। यहाँ पर ये एम्बुलेंस है। इसी एम्बुलेंस वैन में मुख्तार अंसारी को रखा गया है। मुख्तार अंसारी को दिखाया गया। ये एक्सक्लूसिव तहसील है। ये देखिए ये मुख्तार अंसारी इसमें लेटा हुआ है। मुख्तार अंसारी इसके अंदर लेटा हुआ है इस एम्बुलेंस में और इसी एम्बुलेंस में मुख्तार अंसारी को पीछे की तरफ लेकर जो यूपी पुलिस है वो निकली है मुख्तार अंसारी को लेकर। तो ये तस्वीर हमने आपको भेजी है कि किस तरीके से एक के बाद एक जो गाड़ियों का काफिला है वो निकल करके जा रहा है एम्बुलेंस।
Let me cut across to Manjeet Sehgal joining us on the phone line. Manjeet, here's Mukhtar Ansari being moved from Punjab. He's going to be taken to Uttar Pradesh. Take us through, has all the formalities been completed?
Yes, Navila, it took more than 1 hour to complete all the formalities. Then a panel of 5 doctors and paramedics checked the meters of Mukhtar Ansari. Then he was moved in an ambulance which is being escorted by the UP police this moving on the GT road towards Chandigarh. It is almost 15 minutes when the cable cave left the Roopnagar jail. All we know is this, that the Don spent 2 years in this jail. He was feeling safe here. His family had expressed apprehensions about his security. His wife had today moved the Supreme Court as well. But sources are telling us that Punjab government in some way or other was allegedly trying to stall his handing over to the UP police. And as much as 9 times the UP police had approached the Punjab government to hand over Mukhtar Ansari to them, but the Punjab government did not allow. It was finally on the intervention of the Supreme Court that the Don was handed over to the UP police. So this cavalcade is now moving on the GT road. It is being escorted by 2 escort vehicles of UP police. He is moving in an ambulance, and the formalities have been completed. And as per the information, Punjab police vehicles Punjab police is not escorting the Don. Earlier it was being said that Punjab police team will escort the UP police, but now only the UP police is taking this cavalcade, and Punjab police is not helping them in any way. Earlier it was being said that Punjab police will escort the UP police cavalcade up to the Punjab borders, but now it is the responsibility of the UP police to shift Mukhtar Ansari from Roopnagar to Banda.
Right, here, Manjeet, if you can take us through, this man is wanted in several heinous crimes. Have all those cases gone under trial? Has he been punished for it?
Well, Navila, all we know is this, that Mukhtar Ansari is facing over 52 cases. Most of them have been registered in Uttar Pradesh and some other parts as well. He was only wanted in a single case in Punjab. That was the extortion case. Mukhtar Ansari had allegedly tried to extort 10 crore rupees from a Mohali builder. That is why he was brought on a production warrant, but he had not applied for a bail. And from last 2 years, he was lodged in Roopnagar jail. But as far as the cases are concerned, most of the cases have been registered in Uttar Pradesh, and 15 out of the 52 cases are at the stage of a trial. So Mukhtar Ansari is required in connection with these cases. That is why UP police had sought
Right. Well, Manjeet, do stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to Arvind Oja, who's currently tracking Mukhtar Ansari's the security convoy there. In fact, he's now been taken from Punjab prison all the way to Uttar Pradesh after the Supreme Court's order. We're looking at Mukhtar Ansari, who's been wanted in several crimes, now moving from Punjab, finally, after serving 2 years in Punjab, now Uttar Pradesh, who's been wanting Mukhtar Ansari back to the Banda jail. Now he's been finally moved after the Supreme Court's order. Let's quickly cut across to Samad Srivastav joining us on the phone line for more details. Srivastav, please go on. Here's Mukhtar Ansari finally after 2 years of serving imprisonment in Punjab and being wanted by UP time and again that they've approached Punjab. Punjab refused to release him. 2 years later, the Supreme Court's order. Now he's finally been moved from Punjab to the popular Banda jail where several high-profile inmates are currently lodged.
Well, yes, this is big Don-turned politician Mukhtar Ansari is finally going from Punjab's Ropar jail, from where he stayed for around 2 years, back to Banda district jail, where he was in 2019 January when he was taken over a case in Punjab. And now the time has come when UP police is taking back Mukhtar to his place in Banda district. It is worth mentioning here that the team of UP police left UP's Banda around 9:30 a.m. yesterday, and by yesterday's night the team reached near the police lines of Ropar jail, and then about 12 p.m. the team reached Ropar jail, and now before 4 to 5 minutes the team has left for Banda. It's going to be worth seeing that security has been tightened and ambulance has also been set up where in which Mukhtar is being placed. Apart from that, a Vajra Vahan is also being there. Apart from that, the team of UP police with some senior officers and also some flamboyant officers are put in this particular thing. Also, officers from Purvanchal are avoided in this particular case, as UP police thinks that Mukhtar Ansari had a hand in Purvanchal before, so they avoided police officers from Purvanchal. And for mobile phones also, it's worth mentioning here that mobile phones of many police officers went from UP to Punjab has been taken, so that no lead should be given to any of the associate of Mukhtar Ansari throughout this 15-hour long journey. Yes, it's going to be a 15-hour long journey because the distance from Punjab jail to Banda jail is somewhere around 15 hour, which goes from Yamuna Expressway to Agra Expressway, then Lucknow, then Banda. So it's going to be worth crucial how they take care. But as per the sources, there will be no stoppage, there will be no rest for the Mukhtar and the police team, and they will take back Mukhtar to UP in a way quickly as possible. Yes.
Right. Sabarth, if you can give us a small glimpse into why this man is really the most wanted. He's been wanted in Punjab, in Uttar Pradesh, and now finally after the Supreme Court's order, he's been evading moving to the Banda prison. Finally, he's been moved there. If you can really give us an insight on the number of cases that he's been accused in and what are those crimes that really make him the most wanted face?
Well, he is involved in many cases, some severe crimes including murder, loot, kidnapping, and it is worth mentioning here that about 52 cases, he's a history sheeter, which 52 cases in Uttar Pradesh itself, especially in Purvanchal, Ghazipur, Mau. These are the areas which were governed mainly by Mukhtar Ansari, and soon after the crime world, it's a very important case of Krishnanand Rai, the BJP leader who was killed in the broad daylight with plenty of bullets fired inside his car. The name of Mukhtar Ansari also came in it, in which Munna Bajrangi's name also came in. He was killed in Banda jail few years back, and since that time Mukhtar wasn't worried that something like that may happen to him. That's why he made a trick, and as per the sources he was taken to the Punjab jail. Then after Mukhtar has a severe role, he has been considered as one of the top dons of Uttar Pradesh. He also had a severe hand in the politics of UP. He joined Bahujan Samaj Party and was an MLA for BSP. So it's very crucial for UP government. It has been a big win for UP government as well to take back Mukhtar Ansari back to UP. Also, his wife has also appealed Supreme Court as she is worried that something like Vikas Dubey encounter kind of thing may happen with Mukhtar Ansari. So the wife of Mukhtar Ansari is also worried with this. But if you talk about the entire history of Mukhtar Ansari, yes, more than around 52 cases are registered against Mukhtar Ansari, and recent being registered in Barabanki, the ambulance case in which an ambulance was recovered from Punjab with a number plate of Barabanki. The investigation is, however, on this particular case, but as per Barabanki police. The ambulance recovered by Barabanki police in Punjab was not bulletproof. It's a big thing. It raises question whether the ambulance found was of Mukhtar Ansari or whether the ambulance in which he came in the Mohali court was bulletproof or not. So several questions are being raised around this particular theory, but investigation is still on. But the biggest update from here that UP police has succeeded to take back Mukhtar Ansari back to Banda district jail from where he resided for about many years, and in 2019 January he was taken back to Punjab. Yes.
Right, do stay with us, Samarth. I'm quickly going to cut across to our reporter who's going to be right there at the Banda prison, right outside. Shivendra joining us, more details on that. Shivendra, here's the UP police now finally bringing back Mukhtar Ansari, the dreaded criminal from Punjab. The UP police arrived in Punjab in the wee hours on Tuesday to take back Ansari into custody. They're on their way now to Banda jail. What are the preparations, if I may ask, right there for this man who earlier on enjoyed quite some luxury in that jail, but doesn't seem like the UP government this time around would give him that kind of luxury that he hopes to get?
See, Nabila, these 15-16 hours are going to be very important for Mukhtar Ansari and for UP police and UP government as well, because he is finally handed over by Punjab police from Ropar to UP police, and they are now traveling towards Banda, and as per our information, he'll directly to bring back to this Banda jail only. And security and other arrangements are being beefed up outside Banda jail. You can see that this gate, which is usually open earlier, but now this is closed, and main gate is also beefed up security beefed up security, and one police chowki is also being made outside this Banda prison, and also one police booth is newly constructed police booth inside this Banda police prison, because after Mukhtar Ansari reaches here, security will be beefed up and nobody will be allowed to go inside without the permission. And there are lots of cases registered against Mukhtar Ansari, and that needs to be finalized by the UP government. That's why they were asking for the custody of Mukhtar Ansari in UP, and finally he is coming. So next 15-16 hours are going to be very important, and that's why more than 100 people, 100 police personnel with Vajrawahan and also with the ambulance are accompanying Mukhtar Ansari from Ropar jail to UP, so that the cases against Mukhtar Ansari can be finalized. So it's going to be very important next few hours, and now police is with Mukhtar Ansari, and they are assuring that all security measures and precautions have been taken by the UP police, and there is no security lapse and there is no security threat to Mukhtar Ansari, as raised question by Afsa Ansari, who is wife of Mukhtar Ansari. She filed a petition today itself in Supreme Court that the way Vikas Dubey was encountered, this may happen to Mukhtar Ansari as well. And she also stated few incidents in the past in which Brajesh Singh attacked on Mukhtar Ansari, and he was after his life of Mukhtar Ansari, and he is associated with BJP. That's why she is continuously saying that there is security threat to Mukhtar Ansari. And she also said that in 2018 in same Banda jail where Mukhtar Ansari was lodged, there was poison given in tea, and he was admitted in PGI Lucknow, and finally his life was saved. You can see few police officials are going inside Banda prison so that his security can be beefed up. Maybe they are involved in this, they are coming for the security purpose only. But now it all goes on UP police, that how they are bringing him here so that he can be reached here and he can lodge here safely, and further cases against him can be heard by the court and they can be finalized by the UP government, as government is saying since very beginning. And finally this handover is given by Punjab police, and he is on the way to Banda right now.
Well, Shivendra, as much as you say that this man, there were several attempts, that's what you say. Mukhtar's wife has been appealing to court, repeatedly saying that his life is in danger. There are people trying to get him. His life wasn't safe in Banda jail previously, but reports also suggested simultaneously that he had the most luxurious jail stay in Banda. He had an entire generator to himself in a secluded part of the Banda jail, where he enjoyed much of the luxuries that any prisoner possibly can be offered.
See, this is history of such kind of prisoners in Uttar Pradesh, especially. Earlier, they used to enjoy all the facilities by the state administration and from jail authorities as well. This is no other. This is no different from any other case in Uttar Pradesh. But right now, situation is different for Mukhtar Ansari. But earlier, when he was lodged in Banda jail or in Mirzapur jail or in Ghazipur jail, he was enjoying all facilities by the jail administration and through his nexus in politicians and with the criminals as well. I must say that DG, ex-DG of Uttar Pradesh, who is Brijlal, he clearly stated and given an interview and said that Mukhtar Ansari was so influential that he was networked with the politicians and state administration, that when he was lodged in Ghazipur jail, there was a fish pond made especially for Mukhtar Ansari because he was very fond of eating fish, and his dog, personal dog, was also inside the jail living with him when he was lodged in Ghazipur jail. And also there were sophisticated weapon available with him. There was satellite phone which was available with him, and this particular ambulance which is recovered by Barabanki police is also accompanying him all the time, 24 hours. And in that nearby near the premise of that Ghazipur police station, there were lots of shooter of Mukhtar Ansari gang were living on rent. So this kind of luxury he was enjoying. But now situation is completely different, because Yogi Adityanath government clearly said that nobody will be spared if he is doing something illegal in UP state. That's why the government, when government came into the power, Mukhtar Ansari forced he tried his all powers to get transferred from UP jail, and finally he reached to the Ropar in ransom case. So finally after so many efforts from UP police and administration, he is coming back to Banda jail, and he is going to face that destiny which was decided by UP government. And now UP government is sure that they will reach to the conclusion in cases against Mukhtar Ansari. That's why they are bringing him back. There are three very important cases against him. One is Krishnanand Rai murder case, about which family of Mukhtar Ansari is saying that he is acquitted, and another case of violence in Mau, and one case of Runta murder case, which was very famous case against Mukhtar Ansari. These three are very important cases. But other than this, 52 total cases are lodged against Mukhtar Ansari, and few of them are very heinous case of murder and ransom and kidnapping as well. So these cases are all pending.
Absolutely, and it's about high time that the man be brought back to his rightful destination. The Banda prison there in Uttar Pradesh now has been readied to bring back this dreaded criminal who's currently en route from Punjab to Uttar Pradesh to be lodged at the Banda jail. Here's UP, who's been asked, at least approached Punjab 8 times to bring back this dreaded criminal to Uttar Pradesh. But it seems like due to several other reasons, time and again, trivial reasons, that the Supreme Court has observed that this process was delayed. And finally, we're looking at the dreaded criminal, Mukhtar Ansari, now being taken from Punjab all the way to Uttar Pradesh. It's a 14-hour journey about, and our reporters on ground, Shivendra Wright at the Banda jail, who's been tracking movement there. Of course, Arvind Hoja, who's following this convoy, Samarth as well from India Today, tracking the developments. I'm going to take you through all those details. Slipping into a short break.